Hey, this is Nikesh from Tech Basics. Today we are going to learn how to download mobile banking application named mBandhan. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet, then find App Store and open it. After that, at the top search bar, type in mBandhan and click on search. Scroll down a little bit. It is also named as mBandhan, which is provided by Bandhan Bank Limited. Click on that and click on Get button. You need to verify with your Face ID, password or an fingerprint. After the verification is done, shortly your download will be started. After the download is finished, click on Open to enjoy your mBandhan application. Click Allow for the notification and do not allow if you do not want the notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. Please do like, share and subscribe to our video and comment down if you have any queries. Thank you.